What is up, everybody? It's Yokohama Prepper, and today I've got another Harbor Freight haul. So stick around. Alright guys, here it is. We've got another Harbor Freight haul for you. Adjust the camera a little bit, or I just move stuff around. Anyways, I've got two of these. Let me try to turn the flash off again. Why is the flash still on? There we go. That's a little better. Alright. We've got a 36 LED solar security light from Harbor Freight with a motion sensor. I've already got one of these, but I needed a couple more to kind of light the path to the front door. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what we've got. I'm only going to unbox one because they should be the exact same. So we'll just throw this one out of the way. There we go. It's a good place for it. And we'll just unopen this tab thingy. Yes, unopen is a word now. And here we go. First thing we see is a destruction manual. But we're guys, we don't need this crap. I don't remember it being packaged like this, but whatever. So here we go. We've got the LED light with the the motion sensor, and it has a mounting bracket already on the end. Has a on and off switch, so you can turn it on and off anytime you don't want to for on and off things. And it does have a plug-in right here so that you can charge. This plugs right into the back, just like that. Now I need my flash, just like that right there. And then you just put this on anywhere you want, mount it, and there you go. Alright, this is the solar panel. This is a pretty good kit. Like I said, I've got one, and I'll do a review on it here in a day or two. Actually, I'll put the review up tomorrow. This is going on tonight, and I'll put the review up tomorrow. This has the same mounting system. Just mount it wherever you want. You want it in at least direct sunlight. So I usually keep mine to the southwest, and it usually gets a good full charge all day long. And this will operate very good all night if I needed to. So not much to unbox, just two pieces, plug it in, and it's done. It's my way. It's my favorite way of unboxing things. And this, if I can get the camera to focus, there we go. So this will set up. Normally is $21.99 for this solar motion light kit. I was able to pick this one up because I had my Harbor Freight magazine. I was able to pick this one up for $14.99. It was on sale through the Harbor Freight magazine program thing that they have going on. So there we go. I'm not going to really install it on camera because, I mean, it's very, very simple. I mean, it's pretty much put together. Just plug thing A into thing B, and there you go. But I will do a review on it, a full review coming up, and that will be posted the day after this video gets posted. So here you go, guys. Solar panel and solar light. Two pieces, one amazing product.